Hello everyone, this is TinyBin. This is my first video on YouTube. And today I want to introduce an application created myself. It is called TinyBin Daz Content Manager. It is a complete solution of content management for DazStudio. We all know it is difficult to install or uninstall a third-party product in DazStudio because the DIM doesn't support that. All you can do is to copy and paste the files into content folder, which is annoying. But it is no difference between IM package and a non-IM package for TinyBin Daz Content Manager. And it can analyze the metadata automatically for you. So let's get started. Let's install a third-party product. Let's switch to Ready to Install tab and choose a third-party product. For example, this female. We can open the archive folder by clicking this Open Folder button. I have already put some zip files here, one zip file with one JPG file. So when I select the product here, you can see the image. Install. OK. We can choose a product category, figure female, but this is optional. Install. After I click this OK button, the metadata analysis procedure will begin. And you can see the metadata column here, and the value is yes. So we can import this metadata by calling TinyBin import script. And in Smart Content, we can see this product. So the install is complete. But we will not stop here. We can do more in Smart Content, which means we can customize the top-level category in Smart Content for each product. So let's do this. We can select a product, right-click, batch modify top category. The above categories are the existing categories in Smart Content, but we want to create a new one. So we input a new category down below here. Favor figure. Accept. You can see the top category here for this product has changed. Back to DazStudio. We need to call the TinyBin import script again to import this new metadata. And the new category in Smart Content is displayed here. And there's only one product in this category, this female figure. So I believe it can give you a great help when you want to locate a product in Smart Content. So let's move on. Let's double-click the product we just installed. This is the product detail window. And there are 5 tabs on the top of this window. The product info, table view, and this is the metadata we just analyzed. The Smart Content hierarchy, the Content Library hierarchy, and the Poster Content Library. If the product is a poster format product, you can see the information here. If you don't spend a lot of time in Smart Content, but in Content Library, there's another exciting feature I want to show you. You can select the product, right-click, jump to DazStudio Content Library. Done. Let's switch to another product. Jump to DazStudio Content Library. Done. It will immediately locate the product in Content Library in DazStudio. I believe you always find it is difficult to locate a product in Content Library by clicking and clicking. It is really a waste of time. But with TinyBin Content Manager, everything goes easy. The last part of this video will be uninstall. There's really not much to demonstrate because it is quite simple. You can click the uninstall here, or you can select the multiple products and click batch uninstall. But I just want to uninstall the female figure. Let's back to DazStudio and switch to Smart Content tab. Select all products. Uninstall. OK. And refresh in Smart Content. You can see the female figure is also removed in Smart Content. The TinyBin Content Manager is free to download, and the basic functions are free, for example, install and uninstall. But some of the features are advanced features. You need to unlock them first. In Settings, Unlock Advanced Features. Thank you for watching. Hope this application can help you.